Mr. Ajay Tandon, I will flash your question on the screen. What operational capability is most essential for Indian component suppliers to remain globally competitive?
Yeah, I've written down a few quick thoughts. According to me, the most essential operational capability for Indian component supplier to remain globally competitive is operational excellence, which sort of encompasses quality, cost, delivery, and customer centricity, and which is supported by investment in technology, skilled labor, and advanced supply chain.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Can we have a huge round of applause? Thank you, Mr. Tandon.